The Windows 11 2024 update now has more options for compressing files and folders. In addition to zip files, you can now create 7-zip and tar files. Just find the file or folder that you want to compress. Right-click on it and hover over Compress To. In addition to zip, you'll now see 7-zip and tar. Click on the one you'd like to use and Windows will start compressing. When it's done, you can give it a new name if you'd like and press Enter. You can also customize the compression if you'd like. Under Compress To, click Additional Options. This will bring up a window where you can change the location of the archive format, the compression method, and the compression level. When you're ready, just click Create. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.